Hello friends, welcome back. This is our first shopping vlog and I'm going to explain English. Tamil friends, kindly bear with me since I found this vlog might be useful for all other fellow members who are going to visit Sea Fresh Market. Okay, about this shop, they are servicing food from the countries like Vietnam, Japan, Korea, China, Mexico, Africa, India and so many countries since it is an international food shop. With no further delay, we are going in. Dragon fruit and this fruit I don't know, if you know tell me in comment box. Avocados and tender coconut 3.5 and papaya, guava, Chinese cabbage, and these are also guava. These are all zucchini variants, Mexican zucchini and Chinese cabbage, radish, it's Italian zucchini, pear fruit. These are turnip and brinjals, and this is some sweet corns. These are kohlrabi or nukal, taro, in Tamil chepakilanga. Some squashes are there, and this is long beans. Snow peas, brinjals, cucumber, and kale, Chinese spinach, lady's finger. So many Chinese spinaches are there, and lady's finger, cherry tomatoes are there, mint leaves are there. These are some banana blossoms. In Tamil they call it valapu. They actually cleaned it and well packed here. Some aloe vera is there. Spring onions are here, and banana flowers. So many are there. Coriander leaves. Some kales are there. Aloe vera packed. So many vegetables are there. Cabbage, lettuce, and so many kale. Look at this, ground turmeric are there. Lemon leaf. Lemon leaves are also available here. Just 10 to 15 counts. A packet of lemon leaf is almost $2.7. Few people are going to cook, I guess. All the variety of spinaches are available, and oyster mushroom. These are some jalapenos. These are some garlic peeled and packed. Look at this, all the varieties of mushrooms, all the varieties of spinaches, whatever the varieties of green chilies, red chilies available in the market is also available here. Button mushrooms are there. Big size jalapenos are there. And brown shaded fresh mushrooms are there. These are some small button mushrooms and some medium sized mushrooms. These are also a mushroom variety, oyster mushroom, and jalapenos of orange color, and Indian variety of green chili, red chili. Look at the coconuts here. Look into this, all the varieties of apple including green apples are here. Guys, if you are looking for some tuber varieties, come and check here. See, all the type of tuber varieties are here: yam, elephant yam, tapioca, cassava, and sweet potato. In Tamil we used to call chanakelangu, kappakelangu, whatever the kelangus are here. And potatoes, red potatoes is also here. Garlic, small onion, starting from small onion, all the colored onions, sliced onions are available here. All the varieties of bananas are here, and all the varieties of tomatoes are here. Lemon also. I just don't need to explain what the fruit it is. All the varieties of mangoes are here. Brussels sprouts, if I'm not wrong. These are some cooking essential oils sold here. All the varieties of oil, any type of oil you can get here with comparatively at low price. Palm sugar are there, country sugar is there, and some candy, sugar candies are there. Whatever you want, like spices, whatever spices you are looking into, you just come and check in.
All the spices are there. See, coriander seeds are here. Cloves are there. Cinnamon sticks. Everything they are selling here with the low cost.
Yes, this could be some people's favorite section. Yes, this is dried fish area. Whatever the dried fish varieties are available in our country is also available here. All the varieties of dried fishes are packed and sold here. For canned fish items, and you can buy all the canned items here: tuna, salmon. If you like canned food, you can come and check it out. Starting from fish, crabs, prawns, shrimps, and whatnot, all the varieties of seafood, scallops, and I'm not aware of all the names yet. I will try to tell you. And these are some shells. Green shells are there, and see, these are some swamps. Green shell mussels, scallops. These are all the varieties of fish. Seafood lovers should visit here. Generally, I am not a seafood person, so this is not my favorite section though. I'm just telling all the fellow members who are following, you can get the items here. See, these are also some separate fishes are there. With the bowl they are selling. This is also a kind of fish. Coming to meat section, all the varieties of meat, pork, beef, whatnot, all the red meats and chicken, whole chicken, chicken leg piece, thighs, everything is available here. They actually have quite longer section for the meats and also the fish in Sea Fresh Market. Coming back to my most favorite section, starting from nuts, all the nuts ranges are available, peanut and all. If you take it as a seed, coriander seed, methi seeds and mustard seeds, so many seeds are available here. If you take it as a dal, all the dal variants, moong dal, chana dal and every beans items are also available here. If you take it as a masala, spice powders are available here, separate spices are also available here. These are some frozen food. If you take it as a flour item, all the flour and these are some mixtures, biscuits, tea, coffee, everything is available. Yes, coming back to the flour items, if you take it as a flour, rice flour and besan flour is also available, soya chunks is available, papad is available, whatnot, whatever you like, you have to come here and buy. They sold some smaller amount of spices in this kind of packet. This is tamarind and these are all the spices of small packets. Can you believe these are all the varieties of red chilies sold here in this type? If you have to cook biryani, all the varieties of biryani meals and all the spices for biryani is also available here. I don't know what are the spices here. So many are there. This is called Jamaica. If you can buy milk cheaper, somewhere else buy some for us. So many dairy items, milks. Coming to this is all about the rice bag. These are frozen vegetables are sold here. Chocolates, cookies, biscuits are here. As I already told you, these are some sesame seeds. All the beans are available here. Red beans and black beans. All the varieties of beans are available here. Peanuts, raw peanuts and roasted peanuts are also available. Green gram, moong dal are also available. You can check the price here. Even cake baking items are also available here. Some food colors are there.
p.m.
Okay friends, coming to women's favorite kitchen utensil section. You just have a look guys. These are the items I have purchased from Sri Fresh Market. First thing is cauliflower and some garlic, guava, cabbage, eggs, a packet of sesame seeds, methi seeds, mustard seeds, green gram and red beans, some chocolates, a small onion packet, mixture, quail eggs and banana flour, 2 mint leaves and 1 coriander leaf, beans, mustard oil. Not to mention a gallon of milk I bought. Thank you. We actually expected that bill would come around 60 plus or $70, but the actual bill was 40 plus. If you are interested, go and check it out. Thank you.